Hello everyone, in this video here I'll be doing a demonstration on how to replace the cabin filter on your Volvo 850. Now this particular model here is a 1996, but this does apply for models from 94 through to 97. Well, first what I want to start by doing here is popping the hood. Now as you can see I've already done this. Next what we'll be moving on to is we actually want to remove this plastic cowl here. We don't have to actually remove it fully, we just want to get this one side up. So what we'll need to do is there are 3 torque screws, one there, next one here, next one further up here, and these are a T25. Once you remove those, cover, you can then lift it up yourself. Now it's kind of hard to show this with one hand on the video itself here, so I'll just give you a walkthrough of how I did this. Now when the cabin filter is in here, you have a little tab on the front side here. You want to push this in, and then you'll pull it straight up to the cabin filter itself. Now that should clip it from this plastic assembly here. Now this plastic assembly is just a piece that actually sits in on top of a rubber gasket there, so once you bolt all this back down, the pressure actually does hold it back down. So once you've popped up the cabin filter itself, you can actually pull this forward. What you want to do is actually pop it up from the side here and then pull it directly out from here. So once I have the cabin filter here, just running it through again, the tab I was talking about, which faces towards the front, as you can see there. See where it does clip in on the side there. Now basically, when you're removing the cabin filter, it does sit like this within the cowl itself here. So once you've popped this clip up here, you'll just pull it from this side here and then work your way straight out like so. Now just to give you a better idea here, now I've popped the holder for the cabin filter itself just from underneath the cowl here. Now this is the exact same way it does sit underneath the cowl here, so you can just give you a better view of it. You can see that the cabin filter here, the tab is on the front side here with a little clip on the bottom here. You can see it's right on that location there. And then on the back side here we also do have 2 little tabs. See, they go right there and right there on the back side. Now when putting the cabin filter back in, now you want to make sure that these all do line up and it actually does sit nice and snug inside this case itself here. Now when ordering a cabin filter, now I am aware there is 2 different types here. The one type here, as you can see, is what I have here. It does have the plastic bracket all the way around, and the cabin filter itself is actually connected to it, so this isn't replaceable itself, the inner part, and you don't actually keep this plastic outer bracket. And now there's also another type, which is just the cabin filter itself and doesn't have any reinforcement plastic around the outside here. Now just to show you underneath the cowl itself here, normally what I like to do, might be a little harder to see in there, but you can see there's some buildup of leaves and stuff in there, and what happens usually is that the leaves will either blow around in there, and then if you do remove the plastic piece they fall down to the fan itself here. Or what happens if you just want to do a little preventative maintenance on here, sometimes this might hold moisture and it might make a possible rust spot for your car itself. So normally what I recommend to do is actually taking a shop vac and vacuuming all this out, making sure everything is nice and clean before you do put the new cabin filter back in place. Now as for reinstallation, simply install this plastic bracket back inside there. Then you want to put your new cabin filter inside there and basically put down the torque bits again, and everything should be good to go and you're ready to drive your car again. Now thank you for watching my video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to post them. Also please subscribe to my channel and rate this video. Thank you.